Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt jelly pudding full guide. Start by measuring ingredients precisely and blooming gelatin in cold water. Warm milk or juice gently to dissolve gelatin fully, then whisk in yogurt and sweetener. Pour into molds or a dish, press plastic wrap to avoid skin, and refrigerate until set. I will guide you through flavor variations, tips for texture, and simple decorating ideas you can use at home. Prepare all ingredients and tools before starting to simplify the process and avoid mistakes. Bloom gelatin in a small bowl with cold water while you warm milk or juice for dissolving. Stir in sweetener until fully melted, then remove from heat and cool slightly before whisking in yogurt to prevent curdling. Pour the mixture into molds or a pan, cover, and refrigerate until it becomes firm and sliceable for serving. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum impresses with voice control and excellent cleaning, so you spend less time tidying up kitchen crumbs and more time making desserts. It even navigates under counters for hands-free cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Experiment with flavors by folding in fruit purees, extracts, or citrus zest after gelatin dissolves and the mixture cools slightly. Balance sweetness so the yogurt's tang remains pleasant. Add more sweetener only if needed. For layered puddings, chill each layer until just set before pouring the next to prevent blending. Use fresh fruit pieces for texture or a light compote as a topping to contrast the smooth jelly pudding base.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.